Rattels. As you all know, I earlier announced that the biggest movement in Africa is going to take over Nigeria by the end of November, the last Saturday of November. Finally, November is here. Today is the first day of November and we need to start planning. So, first of all, I will announce some states and the people that will be taking you guys around on that day. So we are going to start with Akwa Ibom. The people that will take you around in Akwa Ibom for the cleaning are Praise John. Very hot model. And Ride with GT. These people are going to be in charge of Akwa Ibom on that day. Then we have Imo State. His name is Priye Blix for Imo State. Then we have Lagos State, Ajah area. You know, say Lagos big where. We have the Ajah area. We have Jojo of Lagos, Phoebe and King CND. The Ikeja and Magodo area, we have Bobby and Jim with Balu. These people are going to be in charge of Ikeja and Magodo area. Then Alimosho local government, we have It's Fredo, aka Rattel spokesman. Then the Badagry area, we have Miracle. His Instagram is I See Miracle. Then in Anambra State, we have Sylvia Uloma, aka Agunwa. You know, that girl actually looks like somebody that takes something because the energy the girl has, sometimes I just look at her and I'm like, are you sure this girl is not on cocaine? She has so much energy, you know. So in Anambra, we have Agunwa and VDM of Oka. That guy looks like me. He's taller than me. He's actually even bigger than me. Do you know what's funny? When we went to Anambra, there was one girl. When we went for fish magneting, you know, there's this girl, oh my God, very dark man. Now that guy should go the Ogo. That's how well we look alike. So we have a VDM of Oka is going to be teaming up with Sylvia Uloma, aka Agunwa in Anambra State. Then in Benin, we have Egbosa. This guy voltage no be here. Now this guy now creates awareness. That time when army they demolish that area for Benin. So now he create awareness. He fights before I go join him. We have Egbosa, we have Imade Obanosa Eweka. Then we have Mbeke Patrick. This one trek from Benin come Abuja. And you know say I not there around. No say I no day. You get energy, you go do the work. So in Benin, Egbosa, Imade Obanosa Eweka, and Mbeke Patrick. In Delta State, we have Comrade Oris. My man, I mean, and this one, 9 day for a side motor that day where we say kidnappers light that guy for road, where we later save and go hospital. So now me and Oris get voltage where we are not these Oris play. Then we have Aproko King, very funny and very, very responsible. We have Aproko King. Then in Jos, we have Makut Jr., also known as Abayo. We have Jobi and we have Malangwa to take people around in Jos. Then in Bayelsa, we have GT Shot It. This one says, don't very big pass me. I'm not correct guy. GT, I see you. We have GT Shot It and we have Livinus Nwosu. And I know this one now. This one don't start serious war for Bayelsa. He's shutting down Bayelsa when it comes to injustice. He's out there talking against it, you know, and helping people the best way he can. So we have Livinus Nwosu and GT Shot It in Bayelsa State. In Benue State, we have Abdurrahman Aliko. Now, for Benue State, if now no Benue, North Bank, that place dirty, bro. That place dirty. North Bank. In Port Harcourt, we have Prissy TV. I know this one of my crew. We have Prissy TV. We have Very Fair Man. Very dark man. Very fair man. Kind of look alike, you know. He's cuter though. Who's finer? Me or him? It's him. It's me. I have finer smile. And whiter teeth because I didn't do veneers. I don't know if his teeth is as white as mine. But it's also fine. We are put fine anyways. We have Very Fair Man. We have Prissy TV. We have Oluwe Bube talking drum. These guys talks. God punish this person. Then we did for moto. That day where we say we rescue person. Where kidnapper shoots. If you see the way they shake inside moto. I see a toto. Oh, guy, man, pam. Anyways, we have Olu Ebube talking drum, Simeon with Prissy TV and Very Fair Man in Port Harcourt. Then we have in Kaduna, we have Hype Man Danzi. Hype Man Danzi is going to take charge of the people in Kaduna. Then in Masaka, Nasarawa, that one be like my own Aziz. But I get IBB first. Get men for there, we get their 2-pack. All those ones now, Egbe, people where they carry iron. You understand? Those are my old time people. So that side, we don't take that side. Then, there are some states that have not called. Honestly, because I never get people and I go trust for that side. Because you know this thing, the guy go be now, people go teach in our politics. We will not they do politics and we don't entertain politics. For if we go put one person and the person go turn out to political movement, we don't do politics. And anybody who just talk politics for this our movement will go kick you lost. We don't do tribalism, we don't do religion. Our work is just to go keep Nigeria clean. Do you understand? Make we serve the show working for Nigeria. Say yes, we follow contribute to the growth of the country. No be so good, just do social media. We don't fool social media. Now we get Facebook everywhere, rate, fool everywhere, road everywhere, even for Europe everywhere. We get everywhere. Time don't reach up, you say, oh, no, just talk anyhow. We'll go, they do things. Do you understand? We can do a lot if we put hands together, and we'll definitely achieve a lot with this movement. So, there are some states that have not called: Ondo, Oshun, Ilorin, Kano, Kebbi, Katsina. There are a lot of states that have not been mentioned. So far, so good. I've mentioned just 11 states. So please, if you never hear your states, comment down for comment section so that we go include them. Then also we go take ID, find people who go appoint for there. Then if we no get to one appoint for those areas, understand that the movement does not actually need a leader, especially what we want to do. Especially what we want to do, we don't entirely need a leader. In the spirits, when I feel contact the spirits from anywhere where we dey. Just know, say you do as a rat, you go just go, you just see one place where we say they dirty, school area, one gutter where don't dey, dirty don't choke the drainage, the flow where you jump inside, you clear video post them online. We just want to see all these things online, make everybody know, say now we get country on that day. So it's going to happen on the 29th of this month. On the 29th of this month, and every last Saturday, we are going to continue every last Saturday of every month till old age don't come. I beg. It's for the betterment of the country. There's no gain. We are not paying anybody. Money no day for anything. And furthermore, please, we are not contributing money for anything. Anybody will go open group, say, Mona contribute for this one. Mona do to buy this one. Don't listen to nobody. It's simple. On that day, you go into the gutter, you go into the bush. Anything you just say dirty, make the states no look fine. You pack them together. The people that they in charge of packing them go come, they'll pack them. They'll go trash them. We'll do that every month, and we'll keep the spirit of cleanliness in Nigeria. Peace and love. Don't play. If you play, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way.